Hello and welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin and today we're going to be opening up the box by Fashionsta. I got this a few days ago, but I've been a little bit behind on uploading videos. I've been trying to spend a little bit of time with the family. We went to the zoo yesterday. It was really nice. What did everyone else do this weekend? I'm curious to know. Also, if you're into beauty subscriptions and reviews, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel for more easier access to videos like this. Okay, I'm going to open up the box here, and the theme this month, well, for the month of July, is Soulless Summer. And on the back is the products listed with the prices that we get inside of the box. This is what the box looks like when you open it here. And the first thing I'm pulling out is, it looks like Aloysia Marie, excuse me if I'm not saying that correctly. It's an aloe stem cell mask. And this is valued at $12.50. And it says that this is a plant-based stem cells, antioxidants, natural marine botanical ingredients to cleanse, replenish, and provide intense hydration for depleted environmental stress or travel. Oh, that's nice. Definitely be giving this a try out this week. Next thing up is Tropical Naturals Facial Serum. Okay, shake well and apply 1 to 2 drops of serum on freshly washed skin on your face and your neck. It's the packaging there. Let's see what this smells like. It has a scent. I don't know if I like it, but it's not bad. There is that one, and that is said to value at $37. And the next thing I have in here, it looks like a Ibby Beauty poolside palette, and this is valued at $20. This is what the outside packaging looks like. I really love it, and I love flamingos in summertime, so it does go well with the time of year, definitely. And these are the colors in here. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch a few because I'm definitely going to be using this palette this week. Alright, one thing I absolutely love about this palette is how they're engraved on there. I love that. And also, too, the first time I did a few of these swatches here, it just went on so effortless. I like how there is bright looks in here, but also you could go for a neutral look in this palette. So that's what I definitely like about that. Next thing in here, which looks like it is a Love Light lip gloss. And this is valued at $28. Oh, I got a pretty shade. I got the shade Bliss. And it has a little mirror on the side. So if you want to touch up on the go, it makes it easy for that. And this is the color that I got right here. I like it a lot. It definitely would go with a lot of looks. Neutral, not neutral. Love it. Last but not least, I have a Mud Masky Leave Me On Summer Mask. And it's a SPF 15. Which I'm okay with getting stuff like this because you can always use it. And it's good for you to use sunscreen. This one definitely smells better than the other one I recently got. It smells, to me it smells good. So I'm really excited about trying this stuff out this week. And next up I'm going to be posting my reviews for the week. So stay tuned if you're interested in hearing about what I think about the products I've been using this past week. Everything I had for this video. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.